back to Genie. Today, I'm excited to show you how to recover your lost Garena account. All been there. You create an account, change the password, and then somehow forget what you changed it to. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of retrieving your account. First things first, head over to your web browser and navigate to garena.sg. Once you're there, you'll see a screen with 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on these lines and scroll down until you see an option that says Account. Tap on it and you'll be taken to a page where you need to enter your Garena username. But what if you don't remember your password? No worries. Just scroll down and tap on Forgot Password. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your Garena username and your phone number. Remember to include the correct country code. Then, enter the verification code sent to your phone and tap on Verify. Once you've verified your account, you can set up a new password. Just enter and confirm your new password, and you're good to go. You can now log back into your Garena account using your new password. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you found it useful, please let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Genie for more helpful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.